Today, boys and girls, you will be doing a word work assignment in Schoology. You will get into your Schoology account and you will click on the word structure 6. And then you will open your test and it will look like this. You will hit start new attempt. And something like this will pull up. This will be the very first question. It says, pick the contraction that is formed in each pair of words and write the contraction on the line. So our word is will not. Will not. Which one of these words up here is a contraction for will not? You're going to read all of these, and it would be won't. So what you will do is you will write the contraction on the line with your finger. Remember, you have to put that apostrophe in to show the letters that you cut out when you made the word won't, will not, won't. That's what you'll do.